Here we have a M3 Competition. So here we have a M3 Competition with a CS kit, and it looks absolutely stunning. I can't wait to post this video. I'm probably gonna put it on YouTube and Instagram. But just look at this, guys. Look at this rims. This is one of two cars to have this particular rim here in South Africa. And it's just absolutely stunning. Carbon fiber hood. Would you look at that? And it's basically stage 2 downpipes, you know, and it's obviously all the cats have been removed from the car. So a bit later, I'm probably gonna go for a nice night drive. As you guys can see, look at it. Just standing still in the video makes it look so good. And here's the key right there, as you guys can see with me, the M Performance. It's just amazing. I'm speechless, guys. I can't wait to go for a drive in this car, but it's just absolutely stunning. So I'm about to go inside, guys, and this interior is absolutely stunning. Look at it. I love the yellow details and right here. Obviously, you have your M Performance steering wheel, and it just looks absolutely amazing. Look at it. So I'm sure you guys can hear some kids in the background. They're also as excited as me to be seeing this car right here. Oh my goodness, I love this, guys. I love it. And we are currently in the M3 Competition with the CS package, basically. See how this thing sounds.